In this video, we'll demonstrate how to reset a Peugeot 3658100-BU01 Airbag Control Module. We need to prepare P50 or Keymaster G3 high-power DC regulated power supply, main cable, P004 jumper, P004 adapter, Peugeot 3658100-BU01 Airbag ECU. Tap crash reset. Select airbag reset, select seniors. You can search for the ECU part number in the upper right corner to quickly find the correct option. Choose bench and P004. Tap guide and carefully read the menu description, operation introduction, and connection method. Tap back. Tap connector pinout. Connect the harness according to the wiring diagram. After connection, tap back. Read the ECU information to verify the airbag part number. Read DTC. There is a crash-related fault code. Tap OK. Tap Erase DTC. Execution failed. Choose Erase Crash. Erase successfully. Operate, Erase DTC. Erase successfully. Read the fault codes again. The crash-related fault code was successfully erased. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.